starting the dance off, we talked about just some basic starter step technique. Was followers make sure that upper arm is getting connected on the leader's forearm. This is the test I gave. That should rotate your partner. We don't want that. Okay? Leaders, I tend to be on the bottom of the shoulder blade, but I talked about how my hand is very malleable, like a latex, memory foam, organic hybrid mattress. So that I'm not like, this is the hand position I use. I mold it to my follower's back. And then if she wants to move around in that, I let her, rather than a lot of people use that hand and that forearm to lock their partner in, and they can't move. For the basic starter step, we talked about that little hip action, prepares them to move, so it's easier to feel that first triple step. 1, and come in a little, 2, send them away on 3 and 4. Make sure by 4 you provide a connection. So you can go 1 and 2, 3 is the end. Or you can go 1 and 2, travel, and 4 is the end. You can't go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, like that. They need an end point, they need an anchor eventually. Then we talked about just kind of the idea of like a pre-starter step, which is that we're just kind of doing these side-to-side weight shifts. These could be 1 beat. These can be 2 beats. Sometimes we make them last really long. And then we go into the starter step from there. And that's just like a nicer way to ease into the dance, let your partner move, feel how they move. We did talk about a specific instance of 2 beat weight shifts and how there are 2 possibilities for that don't end the same. So if I am doing what would often be referred to as step tap, or if you're not doing the tap, you could think of it as step finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2 works really well. If I'm doing what's often referred to as tap step instead, which I actually start by doing the weight shift on 8. So I'll go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2 feels really abrupt. So for that version, I'm going to do a hook instead. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. I obviously don't do this on all of my starter steps, but it is an easy way to feel that. Slightly more advanced version of both of these is to not do the first triple step. You can just do the last tap, step, and then go to your anchor, or the last step, tap, and then go to your anchor. Notice on whichever one of those I do, I add that movement in that I would have had on the triple, so my follower can feel when it's different. Right? As opposed to me just go like this. Surprise, that anchor kind of comes out of nowhere. All right. Yeah, that was everything with the starter step. Thanks. That I run in California in June. Second weekend of June in Orange County. Kind of our focus is we do lots and lots of different fun contests as opposed to just the usual ones. And then the social media scene is crazy. Not only does it go super late, but we do a lot of things that are different than usual. We have our normal music. We've got a blues room, we have a throwback room, we do a soul hour, we have a live blues band one night, we have like a glow party with a DJ on turntables another night. So we do a lot of things different to mix things up. We go to Disneyland on Monday. It is an awesome time. I would love for you all to join us. JackDon'tChillRama.com.
Thank you for coming and have a good rest of your day.